interrupted with the Offowc Library DLL blocking Microsoft Office Web Components Shim workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. While preparing the manual steps for Offowc Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Offowc Library, the Office Web Components Library module. It manages the localized rendering of Excel charts, PivotTable lists, and interactive data spreadsheets within web browsers and legacy 32-bit desktop shells. It bridges localized data binding calls from the web container to the local Office COM engine. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Offowc is distributed specifically with Microsoft Office Web Components Shim and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Microsoft Office Web Components Shim to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Offowc library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Offowc Library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the Diagnostic kit linked below for Offowc library references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Offowc library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.